Hey OFRA Beauties, it's Steph here, and today we're going to be doing a Get Ready With Me featuring some of OFRA's latest launches. Now, you're going to want to get your notebooks out and make sure you have quite a bit of space, because there are a lot of products in this video that you guys are definitely going to want to write down and run over to OFRA's website and snatch them, because they are ones you do not want to miss out on. I am so excited for this video. Make sure to keep on watching if you guys want to see how I came up with this look and how I've been using OFRA's latest and greatest products. Alrighty, OFRA Beauties. Well, of course, we know the very first step to the perfect makeup application is, of course, skincare. And OFRA has blessed us with so many new skincare goodies, and I cannot wait to use them in this Get Ready With Me. Now, the first thing we're going to be doing is, of course, cleanser. You know we got to take care of that skin before we put the makeup on it. You want to make sure that you have that nice smooth base to apply that foundation to. Let me tell you, when my dry skin heard that we have a daily micro exfoliant in Microglow, I was so happy. We have the all-new Microglow Cleanser. As I said, it's a daily micro exfoliant, and it's gentle enough to use AM and PM, so it's gonna get rid of all that dry, flaky skin, just bring those impurities out, and also it helps to brighten and heal, which is major in any cleanser. And of course, you know we can count on OFRA for that bomb skincare with the amazing ingredients, and it's good on sensitive skin, which is major for me as well. So let me go ahead and just moisten up my face. I have a damp towel right here so I can film the whole process for you guys. I'm just gonna get my skin just the slightest amount damp, and I'm just gonna go in with a couple pumps of the Microglow, and we are gonna just massage this into the skin, circular motions, and let that micro exfoliating take charge and just completely renew and restore the skin, because it needs it. I'm getting a little flaky. I am dry, so this is seriously like a game changer for me, and I love me some good cleansers. Now that I've gone in with that Microglow and just massaged it all over the face, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off, and we will come back to continue on with this skincare routine to prep ourselves for some perfect makeup application. I have to tell you guys, I was a little flaky before using the Microglow Cleanser, but oh my gosh, my skin is so smooth. When I tell you, this truly makes a difference just after one use. Like, imagine using it every single day, just having that baby soft skin. Oof. All right, so we're gonna continue on. We have two more skincare products that I'm dying to show you guys. I'm sure you guys have already seen them, but if you have not tried out these skincare products, you need to get that little notepad and write it down and go run off to OFRAcosmetics.com, because I'm telling you, these ones, especially the cute little packaging, they're worth it. I have the Super C Ester Serum. This is an amazing product. It is vitamin C in a serum, and it is just everything. I love serums, especially products with vitamin C in it, because this specifically is going to help brighten dark spots and also give you smoother and healthier skin, and also it helps to speed up the healing process of your skin. So it will just truly help to just restore it, make it feel good. So without further ado, let's go ahead and pop some of this goodness onto the face. I like to pat in my serums. It just really helps to soak all of that product right into the skin, and it feels so good. It feels like I'm getting a little massage. So the last step in this little skincare routine for makeup prep, I am going to be using the Renewal Treatment Oil. And can we just take a second for this packaging, because OFRA has stepped up the game. You have no idea how cute this looks in person. I love the color and just everything about it. It just screams, I want to put this on my little makeup shelf and have it for view for everyone, because it's so cute. So the Renewal Treatment Oil helps to reduce inflammation in the skin, improve skin elasticity, which is, you know, very important at any age. It protects you against sun damage, and it's also an amazing base before you put on your makeup. That's why I'm using it as the last step. So let's go ahead and pop some drops of this onto the skin, quench my skin's thirst, because as I said, I do have dry skin, so I will take all of the moisture I can get, and this truly helps. So now that I've got my skin prepped, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom through some foundation and concealer, and then we'll move on to some other fun steps. I love how my skin doesn't feel so dry while applying all this stuff, because, you know, sometimes you cake it on, but you never want it to be cracking and feeling weird, and I love the fact that it doesn't after using those skincare products. It just feels like my skin's super moisturized, and it doesn't feel like it needs anything. It's not going on weird, it's not going on patchy. It just works. So we're definitely lacking a little color in my face right now, so let's go ahead and add some back in there with some authentic liquid blush. This is a part of OFRA's Ride or Die collection, and I am just gonna do my quick little 1, 2, 3, and that's all you need with this blush. And then You're just gonna blend it out with your fingers. So now that I have that beautiful blushy tone on my cheeks, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of these eyebrows off camera and put on some powder to lock in this face makeup, and then we'll move on to the eyes. We have the all-new Life's a Draft collab between Samantha March and OFRA. It is just a beautiful palette, and I am obsessed with it. I have been using it loads. I'm gonna go into the shade 23 right here, right into my crease, and blend that out. And we're gonna create some nice dimension in there with these amazingly pigmented colors. For my lid shade, we have something super exciting. It's an all-new launch from OFRA, the newest of all the products I'm using here, and that will be the Mother Earth Highlight. It is so stunning. I have been using it since I got it, and I am obsessed. It has a super eclectic glow about it. There's just so many different hues of just beauty. So without further ado, let's go ahead and pop this on the eyes. Literally just one little swipe, and we have tons of pigment. I am just gonna be packing this super lightly right onto my lids. And you can already see on camera just how bright and stunning this color comes across when it's applied. I mean, in real life, it is just like, ooh, jaw-dropping. It's such a different tone than I've seen OFRA do lately, and I am living for it. So I'm also gonna be, of course, applying this as normal highlight. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tap the excess off my brush. Pop that straight onto the skin. Honestly, just gonna be dousing my entire face in Mother Earth because it's that good and I literally want it all over. Going into my inner corners and also gonna be popping that onto my brow bone. And of course, blending it out. We wanna be sure it's blended and all nice for the day. Now that I've completely covered myself in some Mother Earth, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some HD Volumizing Mascara, my tried and true, and then after that I am gonna be popping on some lashes, and then after that we're gonna go ahead and move on to some lip action. Eyes are all set, let's go ahead and move on to some lips. I'm going into one of my favorite OFRA lip liners. This is the shade Wine, and I'm gonna be popping that all over my lips. I love the shade Wine. It is literally like wine-stained lips. It is perfect for just like maybe even an everyday, but also like a cute date night look, cute dinner look without being super intense and super bold. So I just live for it. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a tad more blush and bronzer just to finish up the look. So going in to the shade Crew, I am just gonna be popping that all over my face essentially, just to add some continued definition and a little more pop of color. These blushers are seriously so game-changing, especially because of the fact that you can mix both shades, so you can literally just do one swipe for your bronzer and your blush, and you're all set. It creates such a beautiful shade in between the two, and it seriously saves you time, looks so glam and so good, and it's just beautiful. So with these blushers as that final touch, I think we are officially done with this look, with the Get Ready With Me. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate it. I'm sure you guys know where to find everything. You can head on over to ofracosmetics.com. Right now, everything that I used in this video will be available over there, and you guys can always use code Steph to save a little extra money at checkout. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up right down there, and also make sure to subscribe to OFRA's YouTube channel if you guys haven't already. I love you all so much. I hope you have an amazing day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I will see you guys in the next one.